student, here we discuss about biochemistry and isoelectric point of amino acid, that is alanine. Compare the acidity between cationic form of alanine and propanoic acid. This is very useful for competitive exam. I am Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. God bless you. All the best. Which is more acidic and why? CH3, CH, CO2H, and this is NH3 1 positive aminium ion, and this is propanoic acid. So which is more acidic? So I selected A. Why I selected A? That A is more acidic than propanoic acid. This is propanoic acid. So at that time you should know about it, that it is only having one replaceable H positive, and this replaces this one H positive and one H positive from aminium ion. So see here, CH3, CH, CO2H, and NH3 1 positive. This is cationic form of alanine. Okay, so cationic form of alanine. Cationic form. Okay, I have written form of alanine. So after the loss of H positive, it becomes alanine here. Okay, and here see here, this alanine again can lose H positive from here, and it will also form anionic form of alanine. So one proton from here and one proton from here is lost, and that is why we can say that two protons are lost or released. Okay, so it is having more acidic as compared to propanoic acid, where propanoic acid loses only one H positive. Here I have not mentioned, but I will mention here. CH3, CH2, COOH minus loss of one H positive, it will give you CH3, CH2, COO 1 negative. Okay, this is propanoid. Propanoid. So how many protons are lost? Only one. Here two protons are lost. And secondly, if we'll see pK value also, so whether it is not necessary that you mug up all the pK value, but from here also that only one proton is released, so pK will be higher. So I have written 4.89, and this will be having lower pK. Lower pK means highly acidic. Lower will be the pK, higher will be the acidity, because pK is inversely related to Ka. So lower pK, higher Ka, higher Ka, higher acidity, higher Ka, higher acidity. Clear to you? Again I can say, do I repeat it? pKi of alanine, if it is asked and pK value is given, so pK is 9.7. Here they have given pK is 2.3 for COH group, and for NH2 group they have given this. So Pi will be average of this, and value will be 6. So I see isoelectric point of alanine is 6. Isoelectric point pH at which it is existing as deuterium.